Welcome back, guys. Today we have some slides in front of us from Nike. Uh, Usually, when I ordered from Adidas, I used to order from Adidas, so theirs just come in plastic shopper and within a big box, but nothing like this. So let's unbox this. Drop a like if you like previous videos and comment down below if there is a particular shoe you want me to review or show you on feet about, so that you can buy them. But why am I showing you this right now is that this is the perfect gift for Christmas or birthday or anything. So yeah, go ahead. It cost around 25-30 pounds. So if you get the discount you can get it to around 22-25, but I doubt, because the other colorway just ran out of stock and I have that one too as well, so I'll show you in another video. So that's fine for now. Let's see. It's Nike off-court slides SE in green colorway, and the only difference is not the colorway but the logo as well. So let's open this. This is not for me, this is not my size, this is for a friend. So let's see. Let's put these price tag. And this comes with this tag, like it's hanging in the shop with this. So yeah, let's put it back in the box. And anything else? No. Swoosh, just swoosh and other details from Nike. That's fine. So these are the Nike slides. The form is, as you can see, Revive foam. Like in person, you see this is different. Like the other colorway, it's white, gray and black, but the Nike writing over here on the top embossed is different. And I can, like, I'm not gonna throw it away because I'm giving it to someone, so I'll keep it handy over here. But oh, sorry, you can see the foam, it's really soft. Yep, it's soft. As a matter of fact, like, I have my own pair, so I am already wearing them, so I'll show you on feet. But let's have a look at this fresh piece. Like, it's UK 14, and again with this one, like, I'm usually size 8, but I bought size UK 10 for myself, like a lot bigger.